In the 20th episode of Li Jinchun's story about Liao Tianding, a legendary figure in Taiwan, Liao Tianding got into a huge crisis. A group of evil forces attempted to loot the precious cultural relics in an ancient temple. Liao Tianding immediately went to stop them after learning about it. However, this group of evil forces was extremely powerful and had been prepared for it. Liao Tianding was accidentally injured in the first encounter with the enemy, but he didn't retreat. When Li Jinchun told this part, his tone was full of tension. At the critical moment, Liao Tianding relied on his tenacious will and familiarity with the terrain to skillfully deal with the enemy. Just when he was almost exhausted, the people he had helped before rushed to support him. Finally, with everyone's concerted efforts, they successfully repelled the evil forces and protected the temple cultural relics. Liao Tianding's heroic deeds spread everywhere again.
影片制作，个人 AI 分身，自己讲话，自己广告，创造自己网络曝光率。易经八卦算命，个人 MV 拍摄 Google YouTube、TikTok 搜寻 Caas 网路电视台。李进春手机号码加 Line 0935106046。CAAS 你的网路电视台。